Hey guys, welcome back to Miss P's Healthy Kitchen. This is Miss P coming back with another exciting recipe. If you're new here, welcome. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and click that notification bell. Okay, thanks again for support. So here I have the seasonings. I'll be listing them in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. The chicken is properly washed in lemon and vinegar water and dried, so it's ready to be seasoned. I have paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, and Lawrys seasoning salt. Now I'm adding ginger, this is 3 garlic cloves minced, also I'm adding now the scallion, thyme, sweet peppers, and onions. Now I'm adding some jerk seasoning to give it that hint of spiciness. Okay. So now I'm going in with my mushroom soya sauce to give it that rich color. I'm now adding some honey barbecue sauce, as well as some sweet chili sauce. So now I cover the chicken and allow it to marinate for about 2 hours. Okay, so now it's time to put the chicken in the oven. Okay, look at this chicken. It is so smelling good. All right, now it's time to put the onions at the bottom of the pan. I'll drizzle some oil and I'll be putting down the chicken. So here comes the fun part. Now we're making the sauce. Well, as you know, we have the honey barbecue as well as the sweet chili sauce. What I do, I add some lemon juice, at least 1 lemon, to the sauce. And I'm gonna be mixing well. Also, I had about 3 drops of soya sauce. And this combines well, and this gives it a very nice, smoky, tangy, sweet flavor. Okay. So now the chicken is well done. Look at that, so tender. All right, so it's time for me to baste the chicken. So this is the chicken water. We're gonna throw it out. So guys, for another 10 minutes, I'm putting back the chicken under the grill so that it can get caramelized and get burnt a little. All right, so it can have that smoky flavor. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you all for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.